Alright, today's topic, a must-have mod for your Ford Econoline E-Series van. I have a 99 E350 and you have to have load range E tires for these, so I think you should have a tire pressure monitor sensor, TPMS. This is universal from Amazon. It's inexpensive. I think I paid like $40 for it. I'll flash it up right here and give you guys a link. But the recommended tire pressure is 60 front, 80 back. I'm running 70 right now. I'm at 65, 67 and 69 in the back. That small number, that's the temperature. So let's go ahead and check out the accuracy of this thing. And it also has a USB port to charge up your electronics. This TPMS universal system is made by Tymate. There's the box. I have it plugged into my portable solar power station generator. So it's not even registering any watts on the USB. So if you accidentally leave this plugged in, you should be fine. If you press this, you could get the volts. So let's go ahead and I'll show you guys how this works. Here's the van it's installed in. Budget 2-wheel drive camper van build. This is a hyper tough tire gauge. No method wheels on this. So we're gonna go ahead and start with the left rear, and these are labeled, so I'm gonna pull it off. So here's the thing, if you want one of these, you gotta look at your valve stems. So there it is. You have to have the clearance. So I'll let this calibrate. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them all off right now. There it is. Sensed it. Okay. So excuse the beeping. Let's go ahead and do it right now. PSI 67. So let's put it back on. I probably lost some air pulling this off, and then I lost a little air putting the gauge on, and then it should find it right now. Give it a couple moments. So this was 67. Let's go ahead and try this one. You know what, let's try this. Maybe if I unplug it. Oh, I think it found it as I was about to unplug it. There you go, found it. Okay, 67. So perfect. So let's go with the right front. So it's gonna say RF. Yeah, so I lost air doing that. So there it is, it's labeled RF. And it should detect it here in a second. So here we go. See what we're at. There it is. $66. So let's go ahead, put it back in. Yeah, it takes a minute or two to recalibrate. So that one was 67. There you go, 66. So it's pretty much dead on accurate. So this is why I recommend having a real-time tire pressure monitor system sensor. These are big vehicles, and I feel like it's extremely unsafe to try to lift this with a jack and change out a spare tire. So what I like to do, this is the one technology that's modern that I like in new vehicles, the tire pressure monitor systems, because as you're losing air, you have a warning to pull over. So instead of changing a spare tire, which I feel is very dangerous, I use tire plug kits. So another thing you need with these vans is a really good air compressor, and I will show you my recommendation for an air compressor right here, and then I'll show you guys some other videos right here. But I hope you found this video helpful and you guys pick one of these up for safety.